Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people coming in here with issues regarding their neck. And what's going on with these folks, they're getting that postural syndrome thing going on with their neck. They're always, on the computer, or they're always, kind of texting, in this position right here, and they're getting problems in their neck, sometimes even headaches. And in this video, I'm going to show you a number of simple exercises you can do at home with minimal equipment and with any special equipment that you can do to help alleviate and get rid of that neck problem, get rid of those headaches. So join me, shall you? So yeah, these people are getting chronic neck pain, sometimes headaches, because of their daily activities of too much computer, too much texting. So what you do is you get yourself a handy dandy, if you have a bench, that's great, but you have a bed. So you have a bed just like this. You can even do this on the floor. You just won't be able to get as much range in your neck to do this on the floor. So what you do is you get yourself on the bed right here, just like this. Start prone or on your belly like that with your head hanging off the end of the bed, just like this. And what you're doing is you're going to go into extension. This is cervical extension, just like this. You're going to let your head kind of fall forward. You can do this in controlled motions. So you want to keep control of the movement here. So control all the way down, move forward a little bit so I have more range. Control all the way down, control all the way up, control all the way down, and control all the way up. You want to do this, see if you can get to 10 to 12 reps. And again, this is just the weight of your head. You're not adding any weight or anything like that. As you progress and get more proficient at it, you can add you can put your a cap on, not a cap, but a beanie, and then you can put a weight plate, and you can do exercises in this fashion. But ideally, for most folks with neck issues like this, chronic neck issues, you could just start off with just the weight of your head, and that's plenty weight already to go with. So here, you're going to come up just like that, come down, come up. Nice and controlled motions. See if you can get to, 10 to 12, even 15 reps at first. Just one set. Start out with one set because these people, they've been having this neck issue for a long time. So start out with just one set. And then you flip over. So you come on your back like this. So now you're on your back. You let your head dangle off the side of the bed here like this. And then now you can do flexion. This is cervical flexion. So you're coming up. See that? Cervical flexion. Bam. Just like that. Cervical flexion. Again, nice and controlled. Nice and controlled. This is not a race or anything. Again, see if you work to 10, 12, 15 reps in this position here. Just one set. That's going to be plenty for most folks. And then you go onto your side, just like this. You go onto your side, let it dangle off the side, and then you're going to be in here. This is lateral flexion, right. This is my right side here. So this is the right lateral flexion there. And these muscles, you can see them working in through there. Again, one set. 10, 12, 15 repetitions, work up to that. And it's going to help strengthen those neck muscles. Then you flip over, and then you're going to do the left side of the neck. So here, left side of the neck here, and let it dangle. Boom. Left side of the neck. Boom. Just like that. Strengthening those muscles so that way you're going to be able to strengthen those muscles and create stabilization in those muscles. So that way, when you're doing your daily activities, many folks, they're at a computer, they're like this, they're doing a lot of texting, whatever they may be doing, your neck muscles are going to be able to support those activities. Just by adding that 2-3 times a week, one set, 15 reps, your neck responds really, really well to these types of exercises. And then as you progress, you can add rotational exercises. So rotational exercises where you're turning your head right and left, just like this. And that's easy to do too, so because you don't need anything. You can just stand, you can sit, you can be in here just like this. I like to tell folks to push up against the side of that cheekbone right there. If I'm doing the right side, so the right cheekbone into the temporal area, and I'm pushing gently, just gentle pushing right here. And then I'm gonna resist that gentle pushing, trying to overcome myself pushing against the side of my head here, just like this. And resist it. Make sure you're trying to resist it on the way back too. So as you're coming back this way, you're gonna resist that yourself as you push here. And then you're gonna push against yourself, and then you're gonna resist yourself pushing. So you can feel it contract both ways. Both as you rotate toward the left, and then as you rotate toward the right, you're gonna have resistance both ways by you just using your hand, pushing against it. And it's not a lot of weight. You're just not a lot of resistance, just a gentle resistance to feel that contraction in your neck. And then do the opposite side. So then you're over here. Making sure you're doing, again, resisting both sides. So both going a right rotation, I'm resisting myself pushing as I go this way, and then I resist as I go left. So rotation both ways, you're gonna get that resistance in there. So anyway, do those one set, 10, 15 repetitions, 2-3 times a week. Neck pain, headaches, go away. And it's gonna take some time, because these people, sometimes they develop this issue. It's taken many, many years for them to develop this issue. And it's not gonna just go away overnight, but they've lost stability, they've lost strength in their neck, and their neck muscles' ability to hold their head is gone. And so now you got all kinds of, symptoms, neck pain, headaches. Do that. That way, the stabilization components of your neck, the muscles, tendons, and ligaments can get stronger. That way you can go about your day-to-day activities. That way you can continue to move well, live well. So anyway, if you have any questions with this video, drop it off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new here, hit subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button, because that'll keep you in the loop with subsequent videos coming here in the near future. And that way you can continue to move well, live well. Also, I know you know folks who have neck pain, headaches, and they may be experiencing this. Share this with them. Sharing is caring. It's difficult to watch your loved ones or friends, suffer with these kinds of issues. And the hard part is not so much showing you how to do these things. Is the hard part is taking action in doing them, because you can watch this video over and over and over again, but taking action, that's the hard part. But anyway, show this to them, share this with them. That way they can help themselves alleviate their issues. Anyway, we thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.